Hey guys, let's take a walk or maybe hiking at Central Park today. Maybe we'll go around like a longer route. So I have my rubber shoes and I have my socks and yeah, some light jackets since it's still quite cold outside, but not as bad as it used to be. It's already springtime here in New York City, so let's go. Okay, so we cross that street and then the next street is Central Park. So this is how close we are. So we are here at Park Avenue, and then this is Madison, and then the next street is Fifth Avenue, and then that's where Central Park is, right close to Alice in Wonderland. So I just want to take a vlog. I mean, we've been here lots and lots of times, but it's just nice to like take a vlog since it's not so hot right now. What is this doing? Oh my god, maybe they're mating or look at these flowers, it's so pretty. Oh, there's so beautiful. That's the Metropolitan Museum of Arts. Right there, that's the Met Museum. So it's really close. And this is Central Park over here. We are here at Central Park. Wow, some of the flowers already start blooming. It's the yellow flowers. I see it every time I come here. It's so nice. I'm not even dressed to have a selfie, but we'll come back here again. Usually the cherry blossoms would be around there, the pink cherry blossoms, not yet, but I could see the white flowers here. There's a children's park. We are here by Alice in Wonderland. I love this area around here. So let's get closer to the tree, the flowers. Every springtime, the Central Park workers, they plant these beautiful flowers all around the park. So this is good to de-stress and take your exercise. It's really nice. I love it. The blue flowers. Okay, so we are here by the white flowers. So nice. Oh, the trees, look. They look so delicate. I mean, it's a big tree. They put some water now on the lake. It used to be frozen and empty. So nice. Beautiful day. And then there's a coffee shop right there. My favorite coffee shop. Overlooking the Alice in Wonderland lake.
following desk. 2 bottles of water.
There's a robin on the tree. The second bird I saw today, first one was sparrows, and we can't come any closer, they're blocked off. But it's so nice to see the robin. Hello robin, it's so nice. Oh, now it's the back side. That's a big robin right there. Usually they're like medium size. This is a big one. Look. Where is it now? Oh, it flew. Smells so good over here. I guess this flowers is very fragrant. It's the boathouse there. Slash restaurant. There are the boats here at Central Park.
Completely ineffective. That's the whole crux of effective alcohol. That is completely ineffective.
Yeah, you guys should go. You guys should.
Looking at me. You shouldn't be throwing trash. Hello Robin. The birds possibly looking for food. Robins are birds of springtime. Oh, so nice. It's really close to me now. It's a friendly robin. What are you doing? Are you going at the lake? What are you doing in there? Oh, it flew. Okay. Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Geese. Hello. Hello, how are you? Oh, it's so pretty, Mr. and Mrs. Geese. Oh my goodness. So pretty. You want to close up? Say cheese! Say cheese! What about the other one? You want to close up too? Say cheese! Now they're all like, maybe they're going to come up here. Maybe they're going to come up out of the water. Or they just looking at me. Do you just want to look at me? Oh, you want to look at me? Hello. Say cheese. It's a beautiful bird. What about you? It's a pretty bird. The lake is so beautiful today. They're drinking the water. Okay, bye-bye. This is I scared the squirrel while it's digging for its nuts. Red cardinal? Not sure. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. So nice. It's a red cardinal. There's two of them, right? Yeah, look. Oh my god, so sweet. Hello. Hello. Wow. So pretty birds. I could sit here forever and just look at them. It's so nice. Look, there's two of them. Where's the other one? Well, hello there. So cute. They're just in the ground. Oh, and there's more in here. Wow. Look. Up close. Oh my god, we're so close. Oh my god, there's a lot of them. There's another one. Look. So pretty. And then look, Mr. Sparrow right there. Oh, there's... What kind of birds are these? Red cardinals? Hello! Ah. Red cardinals. beautiful here. Ooh, it's so beautiful day. Oh, the sun. It's a beautiful bird. Oh, it's flying. It's quite a climb in there. And wow, look. don't want to be falling off the rocks. So anyway, look, it's quite deep in there. Do not be holding your phone. Oh, I'm in a dead end. Oh shit. Oh, there's a clearing in there. Look, there's a little, but that's for dogs, right? Can I fit in there? Oh my god, are you kidding me? What? Here comes the joggers and the bikers. They're really full today. Wow. There's more coming. Okay, I think this is about my hiking for today. I went all the way where the running brook. It's like not too bad. Hope you like. Bye.